What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who I'm back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today. All right, guys, so we are getting ready for LST, guys. So I'm doing some last minute LST prep here. So that's what this video is about. Right now, at this current moment, what I'm doing is replacing my freaking air filter, bro, or my cold air intake filter, guys. So if you don't know, I have a SMB cold air intake system right there, as y'all can see. I have now had this thing on, believe it or not, almost 22,000 miles. You're supposed to clean this thing every 12,000 miles, recommended 12 to 15, I think. So what I decided to do, instead of cleaning this one, because I'm crunched on time, because after you clean this thing, you have to wait 24 hours just for it to dry and everything. I don't have the time to do that. So I just ordered a brand new one here. So what I'm gonna do is just basically have two and alternate it out. So I'm gonna put this one in, take this one out, clean it, and then this one's time to be clean. I'm gonna take it out, have this one ready to go. And for the sake of time, I already started loosening up the thing here, the shield here. I'm actually on my last one, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna be real with y'all, bro. I have been having anxiety about doing this, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. So y'all know these little things right here, these little couplets. I don't know why, bro, but they scare the crap out of me. I don't know why they scare me, bro, but they really do. So I've been scared to get in here and mess with it because I don't want to mess this thing up and not put it back on tight. But it should be pretty easy. They cracked my shield when they put this thing on. Look at that, that's cracked. So clean this up too. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Getting it out definitely ain't easy. Sheesh, this thing is dirty. Look at my hands, bro. It don't look too bad. You can see some of the dust up in there. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. Got our new filter, guys. Some dust on this thing. And it does come pre-oil, which is helpful. Getting this thing gonna be tough. Go. I literally just forgot the cord. Me putting that on, guys. I forgot to press the dang start button, but I got it on there now, so go ahead and tighten it back up. And just like that, it's on there, guys. But man, I don't know how you're supposed to get this thing in here without like kind of bending this thing up, bro. You know, like how are you supposed to get this in here without bending it up? Because it's just not a lot of space to work with, but it's on there now. This little thing is not a good design, bro. It's just flimsy and doesn't make any sense how it's just flimsy. I'm just take this off. I'm sorry, I'm just taking it off. I'm not putting that back on there. I don't know if that's gonna have a problem with sealing that. And then look, like the holes aren't even aligned properly on this thing, bro. Like, this is terrible.
That's terrible.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave that black thing off, unfortunately. If I have any issues, I'm gonna keep it, but I think I should be fine without it. So y'all see what I'm dealing with. These lines are not even, like, look at that. Like, it's so off. I don't even know they got this in here the first time, be real with y'all, bro.
346 minutes later.
All right, guys, so got them on. Able to get all of them back kind of threaded. It's not ideal. There we go, guys. So, fire it up, see if everything good to go. Actually hear the intake pretty good. Y'all hear that? And you can definitely hear it sucking in the air, guys. So far we are Gucci. No check engine lights. Cool. The rail real quick. Sheesh, this thing is loud, bro.
1 day later.
The next day or night, as y'all can see here. Just got back from the gym. Now I'm here to wash the truck. Because what I need to do, the product I need to apply first before you do it. And what I'm talking about, I'm gonna basically go ahead and get something to kind of wipe this to make it black again, not gray. One of the steps is you gotta wash the truck off first. So I'm just gonna give it a quick wash down here. Probably come back tomorrow, actually again, tomorrow night and wash it again. Then wash it again on the LST. I don't know. Okay, guys, so I got the truck wiped off real quick. As you can see there, a little drippy. I'm not gonna dry it, to be honest with you. There's really just no reason to dry it because I'm gonna probably be right back here either tomorrow or Friday before I leave. But I just need to get the dust knocked off again, apply the application that we're gonna do tomorrow. Anyway, that's how she's sitting. I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right, right, guys, it's the next morning, so we got red kind of washed off, as you can see, but there's already stuff in the air. Look at this already on this truck. But anyway, guys, so as I mentioned, I did want to do something to the truck today, and that's basically get these plastics here to look a little better. So when you all again recommended this product to me, you said, hey Q bro, I got something to help you get your black trimmings back black. It's called I don't know how to pronounce that, bro. I ain't gonna even cap. Y'all can figure it out. Y'all pretty smart, right? That's what we gonna do today. You take a wipe and you just wipe it on there, bro, like a wipe. Basically, I'm touch up all these black trimmings here, and stuff. You know, like all this black plastics on the doors. I'm gonna do the bed right here, the truck. You know, all this stuff right here, guys. I do want to address one thing, and that's me loading up the tires in the last video. You haven't watched the video, go back and check. A lot of y'all commented, why didn't you just turn the truck around? So basically, if you watch the video, I had the truck facing down where the bed was down here and the front of the truck was facing that way. A lot of y'all said, why don't I just back it in like it is now and load the tires up, right? One, being a good guy that I am, I didn't want to block off the street. I'm just about to make y'all laugh. The time I was loading up the tires, it's a very busy time with school getting out. A lot of people come through here, a lot of traffic around 3:30 because school is getting out. So I didn't want to block off the road. I did it on Monday. Monday was President's Day. There was no school. So I could have blocked off the road. That's literally why I did not do that. That's why I didn't pull the truck out here and load it up. The second thing was, why didn't I just back it up how it is now and just load the tires this way? As I mentioned in the video, my elbow was hurting, and when the truck is up this high, as y'all can see, it's a lot higher off the ground, and I couldn't physically, I was worried about my elbow being able to lift the tires up into the bed at this height. So I wanted the bed low as possible, and that's why I did it that way. But yeah, that's why I did the truck the way I did it, guys. All right, guys, so they do give you like a little glove here to use. This here you should use. Here's the packet. It's like 10 of these that come in there. Show you things that you just tell me that I can. My neighbor truck loud in the mud, boy. Boy, Carrie, you over there making that noise. Like, yeah. I hear you over there, big baby. Waking up the neighborhood. So far, this is the treated side versus the non-treated side. Not sure y'all can see there's a big difference for sure. Guys, I am all finished now. You just show y'all what it looks like now. I guess we'll start right here. I don't know, y'all can see the difference. It's black now. Definitely up here for sure is the main noticeable difference. These are just super gray. Like I've worked this many times and the gray is still coming through. So can't really blame the product for that. It's just, it was super dry. The easiest part to tell is probably back here for sure. The back bumper. It looks so much better, guys. Like 10 times better. Also did this as well, as y'all can see. Looks much better up here, bro. The main question with most of these products is, does it last? Does it stay black after washing the truck? So that's what we were yet to determine to see. Initial apply looks pretty good. I actually dropped the wipe right there. I see there's like smudge because I didn't wipe it. I just dropped it and picked it back up. But yeah, man, it looks good. Now I need to crawl underneath the truck, clean the wheel lights off. Get some of this right here. I'm just gonna spray it on the towel. I'm just gonna go under and hit each wheel light down here because you do want to wipe those off occasionally because a lot of dirt and stuff down there. So.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your fucking clout. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Pretty much did everything I wanted to do. The only thing I have to do now is wash the truck up. I'm not gonna show y'all that because this video probably is gonna go up Thursday night or Friday, and I actually leave Friday. Today is actually Thursday, so I'm gonna have to edit this video and get it up and get it out today. So I probably won't show y'all washing the truck, I just won't have time. So I'll see y'all down at LST. Red will be there. Like I said, I won't be in the actual show. I'll just be walking around, be out. So yeah, if you see me, come say what's up. But yeah, I'll see y'all down there, bro. That's all I got. Your boy Q. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.